Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic, current, pulse, and forecast of the markets. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. Moving on to the content for today, we have the Fear and Greed Index, guys, currently at 45, that neutral level. Once again, we were in greed, for the past couple of weeks, the past month, the markets have been pumping essentially, but now we're back down to that bronze sort of type color, neutral color, heading into possibly the orange and the darker orange and then red. Who knows? I mean, Ethereum has retraced a little bit. We're gonna definitely look into that now with the charts, so that'll actually affect most likely the market sentiment as well. Moving on to the charts, guys, we do see this is where Ethereum stands right now. Before we actually talk about the current candle for today, a little bit, if you zoom out at a more macro level, you do see that blue trend line, guys. That blue trend line has been massive since late 2021. Wow. Now for more than a full calendar year, Ethereum has struggled to get above that key blue trend line. Just that downtrend has been remaining strong in this bear market, but something's got to give, because we got this green trend line here going up, going from the lows and then the higher lows, but then we're making lower highs as well. So basically a wedge pattern, triangular formation. Something's gonna have to give in the next couple of weeks, the next couple of months. So it's gonna be exciting to see what happens with Ethereum and all that volatility that comes back into the market. But in a more shorter time frame, we do see that we had this breakdown here last week, and if we zoom in again, we have a red bearish negative candle for today, guys. Some things are not looking good. That's back-to-back red negative bearish candles for Ethereum. We do see a little bit of a buy wick here off the current lows of $1,462, but essentially is that bearish divergence that we've been talking about on the daily just playing out for Ethereum, and we do see it here. The next key support is $1,352, where we see, if we go back in the past, we see that before has been key resistance, and then here as well, just multiple touch points. We did break through. Now it seems more likely in the next couple of weeks that we're going to come right back down to retest that key level as support, and to see if it's going to hold is going to be very important, if we do get down there, back down there, and then below that we have support at about $1,241, and then obviously the green trend line here, it's going to be important to see if Ethereum holds. But again, right now seems that we're starting a bit of a short-term downtrend for Ethereum, but let's see how it plays out in the next couple of days. With regards to the altcoin market cap, guys, we're currently at $535 billion. And again, in our previous episode, we were talking about this wedge pattern and this, wedge formation. It was something had to give. We said that it was more probable when this happens that these patterns tend to break towards the downside, and that's what it exactly did. TA at its finest. It can't get any better than that. So again, the resistance continued to be that $616 billion level, but we didn't get back there. We made a lower high here, and now we came right back down to this green trend line here, this downtrending line here. Again, previously it was resistance we broke. We said it could be likely that we're gonna retest it here, and that's what we currently did with this current candle. It's actually a big wick here, buy wick, rebounding off that trend line, as we can see. So that's going to be the key point to see if it holds. If it doesn't hold at around that $525 billion level, then wow, $428 billion would be that next key support level for the altcoin market cap, guys. So keep your eyes out for that in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. With regards to the DXY, we see showing a lot of weakness for the last couple of months. Then last week we saw that surge, and now we're just consolidating sideways at resistance of 103.30. Usually when consolidation happens right under resistance is because it's trying to muster up some juice, some momentum, that impulse move towards that next resistance of 105.35, just based on probabilities. But we'll see what the DXY, if that dollar gains a little bit of strength in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks as well, guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, also the notification bell, to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos. I thank you so much, for that, guys. And remember, link in the description down below. We have free educational videos just a click away for you guys. You can take a pen, a pencil, piece of paper. We have full educational presentations for you guys, all for free. It can't get any better than that. that. And then moving on to the king, Bitcoin, BTC, that top 5 cryptocurrencies and their performance in the last 7 days. We start with Bitcoin again at $21,657, down 5.85%. Wow, almost 6%. Then we have Ethereum, currently at $1,489, right under that $1,500 mark, down 9.41%, almost 10%. Then we have BNB at $289, down 11.88%. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at 37 cents, down 7.45%. And then we have Cardano to round off the top 5 at 35 cents, down 9.18%. We move on to the top 5 best performers for the past 7 days. We have Binary X at $172, up 87.58%. Wow. Then we have number 2, HBAR at 8.7 cents, up 27.31%. Number 3, Oasis Network rose at 7 pennies, up 27.42%. Number 4, Mina at 92, almost 93 cents, up 16%. And then we have number 5, Maker at $772, up 11.55%. The top 5 worst performing assets for the past week, ironically, Optimism at $2.15, down 27.18%. Number 2, Render Token at $1.45. $1.45, down 23%. Number 3, Fractures at $9.77, down 21%. Number 4, Didix at $2.37, down 20%. And then number 5, Singularity Net at 35 cents, down 18.87%. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video. It helps the algorithm and other people to find our channel. Also, link in the description below, just some investment tools and resources for you guys. Again, remember, this content is not official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Hope you guys have a good one.